Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you'll listen to a simple story about Tom and Emma talking about food with a friend from Italy. They discover a new kind of Italian snack and become curious to try it. Let's get started.
I'm getting a bit hungry. Do you want to get something to eat?
Yeah, me too. I didn't eat much earlier, so I'm starting to feel it now.
Same here. I think I need something filling.
What kind of food do you feel like?
I'm thinking about a burger. I always go for burgers because they're easy and satisfying.
You really like burgers, don't you? You order them almost every time.
Yeah, I guess I do. I like how simple they are, and I know I'll enjoy them.
That makes sense, but I get bored if I eat the same thing too often.
So you want to try something different today?
Yeah, I'd like to try something new, especially if we have a chance. Oh, wait. I think I see someone I know over there.
Really? Who is it?
That's my friend Luca. We met a few years ago when I was traveling. Hey, Luca.
Oh, Emma. It's been a while. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. How have you been?
I've been good, thanks. I've been busy with work, but things are going well.
That's great to hear. This is my friend Tom.
Hi, nice to meet you. I've heard a little about you.
Nice to meet you too. It's great to meet Emma's friend.
We were just talking about food and trying to decide what to eat.
Oh, really? That's always a fun topic. I like talking about food.
Yeah, I was thinking about getting a burger, but I always choose that. I kind of want to try something different today.
That's a good idea. Trying new food can be fun, especially when you travel or meet new people.
Yeah, that's exactly what I think. I get bored if I eat the same thing all the time.
I understand that, but I also like food that I know I'll enjoy. It's hard to choose sometimes.
By the way, Luca, where are you from again?
I'm from Italy.
Oh, nice. I like Italian food, but I only know pizza and pasta. I've had them many times, but I don't know much else.
Yeah, same here. I feel like there are many dishes we don't know.
Yeah, that's true. There are a lot of local foods that are not very famous.
That sounds interesting. I want to learn more about that.
Yeah, me too. I'm curious now.
One example is something called arancini. It's a very popular snack in Italy.
Arancini? I've never heard of that. What's that?
It's like a fried rice ball with cheese inside. Sometimes it also has meat or tomato sauce in the middle.
That sounds really good. I like anything with cheese, and fried food is always nice. It sounds like something I would really enjoy.
Yeah, it sounds tasty. Is it heavy or is it more like a light snack?
It can be both. Some are small and light, but some are bigger and more filling.
When do people usually eat it? Is it for lunch or just a snack?
Many people eat it as a snack during the day, but you can also have it as a quick meal.
I like that kind of food. It sounds simple but satisfying. I think it's fun to try something that people eat in their daily life.
Yeah, it's different from what I usually eat, but it doesn't sound too strange. That makes it easier to try.
Exactly. It's easy to try, but it still feels special if you haven't had it before.
Now I really want to try it.
Me too. I think I'm ready to try something new today.
Do you know a place where we can try it? I'd love to experience it.
Yeah, there's a small Italian place near here. They make it fresh.
Really? That sounds perfect. I'm getting more interested now.
Yeah, this is exactly the kind of new experience I was looking for.
It's not a big place, but the food is very good.
That's even better. Small places are often the best.
Then let's go and try it together.
Sure, let's go.
Great. I'm excited to try something new today.
How was the story? Did you enjoy listening? Now, here is today's question. What is inside Arancini? Did you catch the answer? If you did, try writing it in English. Small practice like this helps you improve step by step. I will share more simple English stories like this. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to follow along. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next lesson.